Ele disse que vinha e não veio. Ela disse que o mundo era feio demais. Pra quem tem anseio de paz, pra quem se preocupa demais com o amor de um rapaz que me conhece de outros canais. 1000 voltas ao mundo rodeio, verdades quebraram ao meio. Mas ele pode demais. Me escolhe sua vida, eu recheio. Me deixa sonhar, eu floreio. É bonito demais, bonito demais. Ai, ilerelê, ierelê,
We have a new student with us. This is Mara. Lisa, can you explain, Mara, how our school is?
Well, this school is a big one, mainly a secondary school. But here we can also study for your A-levels and some vocational training courses as well. You can study wherever you want. You will be fine. Any question, just ask.
Thank you, Lisa. Mara, what can you tell us about yourself?
My name is Mara. I am from Brazil. I had to move because of my father's health.
Come on, guys! Be respectful! Please, Mara, don't worry. Just calm down. Go and sit there next to Mara. Canta is the verb, una canción popular, that's the object.
Have you seen that crybaby?
Hey, I made a video.
Hey, show me that video. Really? Send it to me on WhatsApp.
Yes.
Me too.
Quem vive sempre contente não tem nada. que temer. Porque a vida é da gente, a gente sabe o que fazer. E quem tá triste no templo não sabe o que querer. Não sabe que a vida sabe de sobra o que tem pra você. Quem vive a vida o presente, quem sabe o
Hey
que é
Mara,
o
was it
viver.
you?
Me?
Yeah, beautiful song and beautiful voice. And the song is by...
By my favorite singer, Thais Morel. She's from Brazil.
Excellent. So I'll listen to it. Is she on Spotify?
Yeah, I think so.
Right, so... by the way, would you sing it for us in our next music lesson? It's because I'm preparing an activity and that would be quite interesting. Wouldn't you?
I don't know.
Just let's do one thing. Think about it and let me know, right?
Okay.
Okay, bye. See you.
Okay guys, pick up your things. See you tomorrow.
Hey, Mark, are you okay?
It's not what it
Mark,
seems.
hey, it's okay. It's perfectly okay.
No, I'm not.
Mark, it's fine. Hey, listen. You are my only friend since I arrived, aren't you?
Thanks. Don't know what to say. So, you don't mind if I'm... Sorry, I've never told anyone before. So, you don't mind if I'm gay?
Mark, at all. That's okay with me.
Thanks.
And yes, Chris Evans is so hot.
Mara!
Hey, are you going home? Can we go?
Perfect. They're always picking on me because I don't like football. I hate them.
Yeah, I know what you mean. They are doing kind of the same to me. Just because I cry on my first day here. It's been a big change for me, you know? You know what? Mr. Allen, I was listening to some music and I started singing. Right in the middle of the corridors. I thought I was alone, but I wasn't. Mr. Allen listened to me. I didn't realize he was there.
No way. Really? And what happened?
He wants me to sing at his lesson, but...
But what?
the others. What about the others?
Mara, it might be a great chance to let them know that you are more than the crybaby they think you are. Things can get worse with this idiot. But what if at least they treat us a bit better? I'll be there, promise. Things can change, Mara. Now we've got each other, haven't we?
The initial melody is called the leader, while the imitative melody, which is played in a different voice, is called the follower. It's like in some groups of people, where one is the leader and the rest follow him or her as if they had no personality. Do you understand it? Okay. There is someone here in this class with a beautiful voice. Isn't it, Mara? If you want, you can help us and you can teach us that song by Thais Murray.
Who the fuck is that Thais?
Paul, I'm afraid that's not the best way to speak in class. So you're not going to participate in this activity. Stand up and go there at the back and we'll have a few words at the end. Sorry, Mara. Would you like to teach us that song? The lyrics, the music? Come on.
Sem ter por que vou andar pela praia de mar. É um dia de sol. Sem querer vou me encontrar na esquina de um bar onde fala em espanhol. Vou chegar perto pra ver um milagre que é a vida é uma só e o mundo gira.
Attention.
Que vive sempre contente, não tem nada o que temer. Porque a vida é da gente, a gente sabe o que fazer. E quem tá triste no tempo não sabe o que querer. Não sabe que a vida sabe que só o que tem pra você. E quando em todos os cantos a alegria vem, tem dizer que a vida passa, repassa, quem chora sem ter. Por quê? Que a vida passa, repassa, quem chora sem ter. Por quê? A vida passa, repassa, quem chora sem ter. Que a vida passa, repassa, quem chora sem ter. Que a vida passa, repassa, quem chora sem ter. Que a vida passa, repassa, quem chora sem ter. Que a vida passa, repassa, quem chora sem ter. Que a vida passa, repassa, quem chora sem ter. Que a vida passa, repassa, quem chora sem ter. Que a vida passa, repassa, quem chora sem ter. Todos moram junto comigo. Eles todos cantam junto comigo. Eles todos dançam junto comigo. E eles todos saem junto comigo. Eles todos chegam junto comigo. E eles todos bebem junto comigo. E eles todos dão risada comigo. Cada um tem uma vida, uma linda história. Os momentos que passamos guardarei na memória. Junto comigo. Eles todos moram junto comigo. E quem tá triste no templo não sabe o que querer. Não sabe que a vida sabe de sobra o que tem pra você. Quem vive a vida o presente e quem sabe o que é o viver. Eu gosto tanto da vida que a vida é minha, eu consigo perceber.